What's the ultimate answer? Are LEGO Technic sets good or bad? Well, that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. What is LEGO Technic? LEGO Technic is a line of LEGO interconnecting plastic rods and parts. The purpose of this series is to create more advanced models with more complex technical functions compared to the simpler brick building properties of normal LEGO. The very first LEGO Technic sets in 1977 included fork truck, tractor, and crane toys for kids seeking a more challenging LEGO building experience with a brand new range of LEGO elements. Since then, we've made hundreds of sets with devilishly complex mechanisms inside absurdly complex builds that have been enjoyed by kids and grown-ups alike. It's a journey that has also in recent years seen us make one-to-one scale sports car models as we continue our mission to build for real. Good things about LEGO Technic sets. Number 1, they have different play functions. So for example, here I have the LEGO Technic Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 Technic vehicle. Here is a play function right here. And this is called, in the LEGO community, Hand of God steering. You move the gear and then the wheels and these little pistons move. 2, some of them have a secondary build. 3, they have a mixture of licensed and unlicensed models. 4, they include instruction manuals in every set. 5, they are designed for display. So here I have the LEGO Technic Ford F-150 Raptor, and I am displaying it on my shelf here. 6, they are designed for play. Here I am playing around with the LEGO Technic Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. 7, they give you a more challenging LEGO building experience. Bad things about LEGO Technic sets. 1, they don't include LEGO minifigures. 2, some LEGO Technic sets don't have Hand of God steering. 3, some LEGO Technic sets don't have a V8 engine. 4, they can get expensive over time because if the LEGO Technic set retails for $30 when it releases, eventually it could bump up to $60. 5, they don't use normal LEGO pieces. 6, they aren't always a good option for some LEGO fans because some LEGO fans are into LEGO Technic for the licensed vehicle builds, play features, and some LEGO fans are into LEGO Technic because they like the theme. 7, they don't give as much detail as normal bricks can give. In my opinion, I collect LEGO Technic sets because I am interested in the theme. The ultimate answer is LEGO Technic sets are good and bad depending on your opinion. In my opinion, I think LEGO Technic sets are good because they give you a challenging LEGO building experience. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give LEGO Technic a 10 out of 10 because I like LEGO Technic sets. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think LEGO Technic sets are good or bad? And also let me know how you would rate LEGO Technic on a scale of 1 to 10. If you want to learn about good and bad things about LEGO, watch this video right here to learn about good and bad things about LEGO. So check out this video right here, and I will see you next time.